Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you how to introduce the clear polygel in your manicure, creating a beautiful negative space manicure. Rossi Nail Gel Kit includes base coat, top coat, 100 dual forms in different sizes, a dual-ended tool, and most importantly, Rossi Polygel in natural clear. As always, start your manicure by prepping the nails. You'll need to gently push back cuticles and lightly buff your nails along the tops and sides to give them a matte look. Use some alcohol on a lint-free wipe and rub down your nails. Next, apply a very thin and even layer of gel polish base coat and cure for 30 seconds in Rossi LED nail lamp. We will be using a gel polish Infinity Stone, which is a deep and very elegant purple color with a slight metallic shimmer. Apply 2 coats on all of your nails and remember to cure in between layers. Make sure to shape your natural nails oval before applying the products. Just 2 coats is all you need to achieve a perfect opacity and strength of the color. Next, size up the Rossi Dual Forms. This box includes 100 pieces and 10 different shapes and sizes. You want to choose the dual form that is slightly larger than the size of your nail. The trick with fitting dual forms is that you need to raise the dual form up a bit and then to make sure it fits from sidewall to sidewall. Apply base coat to all the nails again to achieve a perfect bond between the products. Do not skip this step. You need it so the Rossi nail gel will properly adhere. Cure for 30 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. Grab a tube of clear Rossi gel and squeeze the ready-to-use formula directly into the previously chosen size of dual form. Soak your brush in the rubbing alcohol and move it gently to create the length of the nail. Fill sides and check if there is no product missing. We recommend you to do this step for all 5 or 10 chosen dual forms at once, as it's easier if you are doing the nails on yourself. Press it on your natural nail by placing the tip over the cuticle on the angle. Press firmly to avoid any air bubbles. Flip your hand around to smooth out the underside and lengthen the product. If you're not experienced with this method yet, we advise you to do 1 finger at a time. After curing, you can pop off the dual form. Remember that dual forms are reusable. Shape and finish the nails. One of the main reasons why dual forms are so great is they save you a lot of filing time, simply because there's not as much filing needed. Buff the surface of the nail for the perfect finish. Grab a lint-free wipe, soak in alcohol, and remove any filing dust. Protect your art with a final layer of Rossi top coat and cure for 60 seconds. This will leave the nails with a high, glossy shine. Apply Rossi Nourish Cuticle Oil. This product hydrates and revitalizes skin surrounding the nail with a unique mix of jojoba oil, vitamin E, and vitamin B. Use it daily to keep your cuticles moisturized. Thanks for watching. We're always here for a product that makes creating cool nail art insanely easy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Stay home and stay safe.